This is 2013 DSE Compulsory Paper 1 question 19. This is a long question, and please highlight some keywords. And the keywords in this question is the total floor area of all public housing flats. And also, you can see as the question say that the area at the end of the first year is 9 times 10 to the power 6 meters square, and in each subsequent year, the area built is R% of the previous year. And at the same time, there's not only area built, but also the pull down of the area. It is 3 times 10 to the power 5 meter square. So now for A1, how can we find out the area at the end of the second year? Then we have 9 times 10 to the power 6. This is the area at the end of the first year, and we need to multiply this by 1 plus R%. Okay, this is the area built in the second year. R% is the area built, and we need to plus 1 because of the we also need to include the previous year. And then don't forget, we need to pull down for 3 times 10 to the power 5 meter at the end of the first year. So this is the area in the second year, the end of second year. So after we simplify, then we can have okay. So the answer is 870 and then plus 9R times 10 to the power 4 meter square. So this is the A1. For A2, how can we find out? Now here R is unknown, so we need to find out one more information from the question. That is the at the end of the third year, the area is 1.029 times 10 to the power 7. So it means that we need to set up an equation to solve for R. Now from part A1, we have the area in second year. So what is the area in the third year? Is that we have that one in the second year. This is the area at the end of the second year, and then we need to times 1 plus R%. Okay, actually, and also minus 3 times 10 to the power 5. The idea is quite similar to the previous part. We need to build R%, okay, and then plus 1 for the total housing area in the end of second year. And don't forget, we need to pull down for 3 times 10 to the power 5 meter square at the end of each year. So this is the area at the end of the third year. And from the information from the question, we know that it equals to 1.026 times 10 to the power 7. This is from the information from the question. And we have an equation and one unknown, then we can solve for R. Okay, now when you expand, and you can see that we can set up an equation, and don't forget to simplify. Okay, so we can have 9. Okay, let me divide both sides by 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. Okay, so we have 1 plus R% square, and then minus 3, 1 plus R%, and then minus 3, which is equal to 102.6. Okay, we divide both sides by 10 to the power 5. And So we can have a quadratic equation in 1 plus r squared. Then after we solve for the equation, then we can get the values of 1 plus r percent equal to 11 over 10 or negative 16 over 15. And clearly, we need to reject the negative 16 over 15 because 1 plus r percent must be positive. So r is 10. So this is part A.